first alphabet is Alif, and it's look like a straight line. So Alif, Alif, Alif. Then the next letter is Ba, Ba, Ba. And this one with the two dots on the top, that's called Ta, Ta, Ta. And the next one, that's called Sa, Sa, Sa. And I told before that these three letters all called sisters letters, and the next three brothers letter, because the shapes of all these are same. So ba, ta, tha. Shapes are same, but the difference according to their dots. Ba has one dot down, ta has two dots on the top, and tha has three dots on the top. Okay, as we did the sisters letters, now we're gonna do the brothers letters. So the first letter from brothers letter, that's called Jeem, and Jeem has a dot and a middle. So first brother name is Jeem, and Jeem has a dot and a middle. And the next one is Ha. That's called throatal letter, and we will pronounce from the middle throat. So Ha, Ha, Ha. This one is Jeem, Jeem, Jeem. Then Ha, Ha, Ha. And then the last sister name from this last brother name from the brothers letters, that's called Kha, and Kha has a dot on the top. So we will do this one, and this one is Kha, Kha, Kha. And now after that, twins, like pairs of two letters, both shapes are same, but the difference of dots, as I mentioned before. So first one will be without dot, 0 dot, and the second one will have a dot on the top, maybe sometime 1, sometime 2, sometime 3. So dal without dot, that's called dal, dal, dal. And the next one, that's called dal, dal, dal. And the next one, as I said before, that this one called bold letter. So this one, ra, ra, ra. And bold letter you will pronounce from full mouth. So ra, and then za. This one has one dot on the top. The shape looks like ra, but that one dot on the top, that's why we will pronounce za. Kind of whistle sound, not the complete whistle, but kind of whistle sound. Za. This one is za, za, za. And the next one, next pair, and the next one, that's called seen. And the next one is sheen. Seen has two curves and almost a circle. Close to the circle, not the complete circle. So this one is seen. And the next one with the three dots on the top, that's called sheen. So up, seen, sheen. Okay, and the next one, well, in order, four letters, four bold letters. So first one, that's called swad, swad, swad. And the next one, dod, dod, dod. And I told before that dod we can pronounce easily when we touch the side of the tongue with the lower side teeth. Then we can pronounce easily dod, dod. And the next one is to. To looks like the first shape of swad, and with the straight line looks like alif. When alif on the top of the first part of swad, that will be stva, and with a dot on the top on this shape, that will be dha, dha, dha. And both letters you can pronounce easily when you touch the tip of your tongue with upper front teeth on the back side of the upper front teeth. When you touch the tip of your tongue Then you can pronounce twa, twa when maybe the lower side of the teeth, and twa when you touch the tip of tongue with the back side upper teeth, but the upside of the teeth. Then you can pronounce a dwa, 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 and all are bold letters, so that's why we can pronounce with full mouth easily. Swad. Yours, the spell will be in inside of the mouth, not outside. Swad, bod, ba, ba. And the next one, the last pair, in the last twins, this one, first one will be Ain, and the next one with a dot on the top will be Ghain. Ain and Ghain. Ain is from the middle throat because Ha and Ain both are soft letters and we will pronounce from the middle throat, and Ghain will be from the upper throat, from the upper side of the throat, the throat near to the mouth. That will be Ghain, Ghain, Ain, Ghain. And the next one, that's called Fa. Fa is one dot on the top and with the shape of Ba on the lower side. Fa is one dot on the top with the shape of Wow on the top, and the down looks like Ba, but the dot on the top. So that will be Fa, Fa, Fa. And the next one, it looks like a half circle, two dots on the top. The first part looks like Fa, so that will be Qaf. And this one also bold letter, so we will pronounce with full mouth, Qaf, Fa, Qaf. And then the next one is Kaf, almost looks like a half triangle. Then when two lines, the first one straight and the next one to the left side straight. So there will be the plane and then the straight line. That's called calf. Of calf. Of calf. And the next one is lam with a when half circle with straight aleph. That will be lam. Calf. Lam. 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 And then the next one is meme, meme, meme. Where the first part will be with the curve and down will be the straight line to the down side. It will be meme, meme, meme. And the next one is noon, noon. A kind of sound like a moon. And it's also look like a moon when moon looks like from the lower side and the both corners should be upside. That's called noon. 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 Noon has one dot in the middle. And the next one is wow. And I said before in the first class that wow, it's kind of English word when we use when we see something amazing, we say wow. So this one is wow. Noon. Wow. 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 When you round both lips, you can pronounce easily wow. And the next one is ha. Then hamza, ha, hamza, ha, hamza. Hamza, the name of the uncle of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So to remember it easily, you can say hamza, hamza, and then both are same ya, ya. Then these both called ya, as I mentioned before. Maybe sometime we use while joining the letters to make words. This one, the first one, that will be is like in the orange color. And this ya I'll maybe always use separately. When in the separate shape, in the detached form, we use this letter, and while joining the ya with the next, we use this shape. So ya, 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 ya. Okay, let's repeat one more time. Only the sounds. Alif, alif, ba, ba, ta, ta, sa, sa, jeem, jeem, ha, 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 dal, dal, ral, ral, ra, ra. And the next one is the, then seen, seen, then sheen, sheen, then صاد, صاد, then ضاد, ضاد, then طا, طا, ظا, ظا, عين, and then غين, غين, then fa, fa, then قاف, قاف, then kaf, then lam, lam, then meme, meme, then noon, noon, wow, wow, ha, ha, hamza, hamza, ya, ya, then ya, ya.